today's video is going to be quite short, but I'm sure you'll agree when you watch it that there's been a bit of progress, and I'll just post up whatever little bit there is, and we'll see how we get on next week when I'm at home, what I get done or what I don't get done. But I'm happy with the progress I've made this week, so there you go. Welcome back to Demo 690. It's an exciting day. We've started spraying the frame of the 175. Just letting it gas off a bit here. I just put a light coat over the top of it there, and yeah, so you can sit here and watch me spray a bit of it, and hopefully it works out alright. And Callum's here with me today to help me. I'm going to show him how to do a little bit of spraying and stuff. Maybe he'd like to do some in the future, you never know. There you go. Yeah, so I really want to ensure that I got every single piece of this frame. So I'm really going over it, casting my eye over everything to make sure I got it. Yeah, so I'm going to let that sit and gas off for a minute or two, and I'm going to hang some of the other parts, and I'm going to do them. We're going to do this swing arm now, and then I'm going to give Callum a little go with the spray gun and see what he can do with it. So. I'm afraid I might be running out of paint here and getting worried. Thought that was going to fall there. That's your handiwork, Colin. You can see that it's all sprayed up now, looking nice. Yeah. That's the swing arm done. We're going to give Callum a little go now and see what he can do at the stand. So we're going to give Callum a little go here at spraying a piece. He did spray this centre stand, but we didn't catch it on video. So we're going to do this leg piece now for foot rests. So we're going to do that. Good stuff. That's really good. Bits you see, hit that. That's it.
Alright.
Let's see if I can turn it. Actually, do you know what I'll do?
What?
Turn around like that. Yeah. You go with it again. Oh, that was a bit springy. Right, there you go. Eyes open, Callum. Any bits, any wee bits at all that are there. Don't go too close, don't go too close.
Oh, okay.
You get around it. That's it. Up in here. That's the corner shape. Wee bit there, a wee bit there. Hold it up here.
Outside?
A wee bit here, a wee bit in the bottom here. See this?
Oh, there's some right here.
Oh, that'll do you. That's enough. Great job. Let me just go through. As you can see, didn't turn out too bad. Considering it was a really rough frame, there is a couple of rough areas, but it's not too bad. Hope I didn't miss anything. And then I've all the other pieces done here, right, sitting on the bench. Centre stand, legs, footrests, and all of the other bits there. So that's it. So that concludes our video for this evening. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and subscribe to Demo 690 and give me a thumbs up.